Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to crochet Nicole's hair. And you know the name of this hair? No, you threw all the packages away?
Oh wait, I can tell you. It's Motown Tress.
Okay.
Something or other. Passion twist.
And it came, no, it didn't come with nothing, just the hair. So how many were in each pack?
30.
30?
I think.
30 little coils.
Uh-huh. So I got 90 coils.
And she got different colors.
We're gonna make it nappy.
I don't want to. Your hair falling out already.
Why you throwing my hair on the floor? Oh, mama. Come on now.
You're getting upset.
Come on now.
Okay, it's gonna need to be over here.
I was gonna untie them all.
Okay, and hand them
to you.
This one was untied, and it's falling.
I didn't know you were gonna pick it up. And I had them organized by color.
So she got 127, one B27,
and one, what is that, 4?
I think number 4. Okay, put that back.
Well, I got a black too. What?
Yeah, that looks like black over there. So,
okay. You ready? Like you handed me worms.
Okay, I'm gonna need rubber bands. She got rubber bands in here.
Yes, ma'am.
And the latchet hooks. They ain't crochet hooks. If you call them crochet hooks, but they're latchet hooks. See that? It's got the little latch thing. The crochet hook just has the hook. I used to do latchet hook rugs way back in the day.
Ratchet hook rugs.
Ratchet. They were cute.
They were cute.
Okay, come on.
All right. Get my.
Now how you going?
I'm gonna sit on your lap.
Oh no, you ain't. Don't kill me.
Oh Lord, help! Oh my God.
You need both of those pillows.
No, I just need to get myself stable.
Wide
Hello.
load. Wide load.
All right now. All right.
Okay. Is it on? Yes. Okay, you're gonna have it parted on this side.
Yes, please. You see where you can tell where I part it all the time because the hairline does something weird. I've been parting it that way for 100 years.
Okay.
Maybe part it a little off of that, lower.
Lower?
Like a little lower.
You want it too low?
No, not too low.
This child got a lot of hair.
I do.
Ooh.
That's why I cut it off periodically. Because it's like, you know, having a pet that lives on your head. You constantly got to feed and water it.
The parts straight.
I got my camera too. All right. Here I am getting my Mammy made braids.
Mammy made. Okay. And this is crooked.
Please don't do my hair Mammy made. Alright, so it is 2:40 p.m. right now on a Saturday. I think it'll take about 4 hours.
It's going to take that long to part it and braid it.
I don't think so.
You see this?
I know. I don't think so. It only took me 2 hours when I did it. No.
And you showed them what you did. Big old ignorant braids.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, my arms get tired.
Okay, is this part too low? So you're going to have your hair this side and some flip over.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's good. That's good. That's good, my dear.
Are these going to flip? I think the part should be higher so it'll flip and hang.
All right, we'll put it where. But see, you see how my hairline is, right? Because I've been parting it that way for 100 years. So I was trying to avoid that, but whatever.
Because the hair is short. And you don't want the ends of the braids just sticking up. Cause
I can pin it. I can make it do what it do.
I know what I'm talking about.
Okay, all right. Well, then do what you think is good, mother dear. Mommy Dearest.
Mommy Dearest was terrible. All right now.
No, you're wonderful.
I know. I'm gonna try to be partying it all day on camera.
No, just don't do what you feel is best. I ain't even got to look at you no more. Now look at me.
Bring no bobby pins, nothing to help hold this hair out my way.
That's why you need little kids around. Send them to go get stuff.
Okay. How big you want these squares? You gonna see the squares at all?
I hope not. I mean, well, so you're gonna do squares along the front, right? Is that what you're doing?
I want to make small squares around the front, and I'll see. I think I'll just start French braiding.
Yeah.
Or I could put rubber bands and attach them. But you don't want all the rubber bands in your head.
I'm fine with that. I do like squares around the edges, and then the rest of it just cornrows.
The squares give it like a box braid look. I think it's neat.
Yep, it is. This really is an art that I don't think is recognized enough. Because black people do it, that's why.
I didn't say it.
But it's the truth, ain't it?
Yeah, I was going to say it.
It is the truth. And primarily black women.
Okay. This hair's in my way.
Okay. What do you need? Some ponytail holders?
I need,
Jesus.
I got some big old bobby pins. I don't want you to get up no more. Wait a minute, let me see if I can put the rubber band. I ain't got nothing in my head right now. Take these out my way. Should have had some clips.
Do you have some?
Nope.
Oh. Do you need a spray bottle?
You got one?
You don't have one? What?
Because I don't use that. That's a mousse. That might make you itch.
No, a spray bottle to wet your hair, like when you're changing styles, but you don't.
You don't do that. I'd rather French braid. French braid.
All right.
You put gel on it.
Okay.
I'm using this Lusty olive oil styling gel.
It's a terrible name.
Came from Dollar Tree.
I'm gonna use that Lusty gel.
She's allergic to a lot of stuff.
Unfortunately. I got it from you. Yes, I did. And you got it from your grandmother. My mom was allergic to something. Well, no, she had asthma.
Yeah.
But they go hand in hand.
Okay. I'm just starting and I ain't doing nothing.
Okay. All right. I'll come back when something's going on. All right. You want me to turn it off?
I think it needs to be closer.
Oh, okay. And lower. Well, I don't.
And then folks gonna be tripping. They need to stay in the room. Okay. So I got 2 rows with the rubber bands and the parts right there. This is my first corn row. And here's the end of it. So I'm going to attach all these. So I'm going to cornrow the back, and then I have 2 rows of the little parts and the rubber bands in the front, just like this side. It's going to be cornrows all in the back. Okay? All right. Okay, I just want to show y'all what I've done so far. I've done the back. I'm going to attach the end of this. I'll probably crochet it in to the braid, so there's no hanging pieces. You saw that I did the rubber band parted it and put rubber bands on each one. And I'm doing this, the front of this now. I'm putting rubber bands on each one. And instead of braiding this, I'm just twisting this. And then I'm going to part off another square and put the end of this in a rubber band until I'm through. It's got this little section left. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna get that out my way. And look at this, y'all. This actually looks like the hair that's gonna be crocheted in. Look at that. Looks like it. Okay. Part another square. Using gel, soften this up. Brush it. What's that you put in to make it conditioned?
I use the Kinky Curly products that I got at the beauty supply store the other day.
Okay. It's good and conditioned. Okay, the rubber band. Hold this. Grabbing that. Just connect it. Without making it too tight. So if you don't know how to cornrow, you can just do this, the whole head like this, to get ready to crochet. And then I just take this that's already twisted and I just wrap this loose piece of hair around that. And then I'll make another box and rubber band it and, you know, connect this. That's what I've been doing. Okay. I'll be back. I'm through with my braiding and I crochet the end of this, the front braids through here. Now crochet the end of this through here. That's her own hair.
My heart. It's my heart.
I'm going to turn around so they can see.
I grew it myself.
Hold your head back so they can see how it is. Okay, that's how it is. Okay, now I'm going to start crocheting. Is this too tight?
Okay. I will yell ouch when it hurts.
All right.
See, y'all see too? Y'all see? Okay.
I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm doing. You see, the hair is like this. It has a loop at the top. Show them how you put them on your finger so you can hand them to them.
She don't like it when I put it on the thumb. She said it scares her.
And this is the latchet hook. It has a little thing. It has a hook, then it has a little lever that can close it up. So I'm going to show you how I'm putting it on here. I'm just putting it in the braid. I'm putting it through the braid. I'm putting the end of this loop there, closing up the latch. Bringing it through, pushing it all the way through, then catching the end, closing this latch again, and then pulling that through. And then it's on there. It ain't gonna come loose. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Give me.
Oh, sorry. About to get fired.
Okay. I'll do it a little higher. I'm putting that through one of the things on the braid. I'm putting this loop through here. The latch. Wait a minute. Make sure that's open. Putting this through here. Closing the latch. Pulling that through. Push that all the way down. Catching the end of the braid. And then pulling that through. And then tightening that knot that it makes. Okay. So I would be back when I go to another color. This is the, I think it's 1B. Well, I don't know what color it is.
I think it's one.
Okay. Okay. Y'all see it's a rubber band here. It's a rubber band here. Okay, I'm going to loop in front of the rubber band. Put that hook there. Put the head through there. Close it up. Catch the end. And pull it through. You don't see no rubber band. I'm going to do this one too. Hey. Okay. Let me get right in front of this rubber band. Is this too tight? That looks like it's pulling.
Not at all.
Oops. I hurt you then, huh?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah. You pulled out some of my edges, didn't you?
No, I.
Oh.
You was bald head when you sat down.
Hey.
Okay. Close that. Bring it through. Get the end. Close it. Bring it through.
Boom.
And it's in front of the rubber band. You don't see it. Okay? Alright. I'll be back when I'm doing something else. I'm hoping y'all can see. I'm hoping it's close enough for y'all to see.
I think so. Do we need to bring them closer? Do it one more time? Wait, hold on. I got it. Yeah, you be the, you just do the artiste work. I'll be the, there we go.
Okay. You have to be grinning.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm a happy customer.
Okay, this one will keep twisting.
Oh, there's
right.
some of them.
Let me do some more over here.
You got a cheekbone. Ooh, I'm gonna need somewhere to go after this is done.
Mm-hmm. Didn't catch.
No.
I just do it with my fingers.
Okay.
If it don't catch with the hook, get the loop, pull that on through. Okay.
All right.
Oops. My nails keep getting snagged in the hair.
Oh.
I need to do my nails.
You want me to turn it off?
Oh, I'll turn. Okay, y'all, I'm through. I don't know how many. What time we start? I start
At 2:40.
Oh, it's 6 o'clock.
Okay.
You
I
know,
said it was gonna take between 3 or 4 hours. Didn't
Yeah.
It? Yeah.
So she's gonna go put her face on, and then she's gonna come back and show y'all.
Oh, am I? Okay.
Yes, you is.
I'm is. Okay. I'm gonna do
All
that
right.
right now.
Okay, here's the finished product.
Yes,
Okay, and she styled it cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I need somewhere to go. Where we going?
No, get some chicken.
Hey, I'm not mad at that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.